Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to touch on how to set up alerts through third-party apps with Lendingclub. Now, while Lendingclub offers built-in notifications, many users prefer to integrate their account with third-party apps for more customizable alerts. These apps can notify you in real time about deposits, withdrawals, large purchases, or unusual activity, helping you, of course, to stay on top of your finances a lot more efficiently. To set this up, start by linking your Lendingclub account to a trusted third-party app like that supports alerts like Mint, YNAB, or certain automation platforms like IFTTT or Zapier. You will typically need to connect your account using secured credentials or through plate-based authentication, which Lendingclub supports. Now, once linked, you can configure rules such as send me an SMS if a transaction is over $200 or notify me when my balance falls below 100, stuff like that. Third-party alerts are highly flexible compared to default banking notifications, letting you tailor them to your own unique spendings or savings habits. Just ensure that the app you choose is reputable and uses bank-level encryption. Regularly review your permissions and revoke access if the service is no longer needed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.